Let's talk about the forecast, though, because we have some big changes on the way. A huge portion of the country impacted by a massive, major winter storm. We're talking ice, snow, frigid temperatures. It's all because an Arctic air mass rolling into the country from the north. It's on the way, and here in Colorado, you combine that with our next area of low pressure rolling in, snow for Colorado's high country, and here we are bracing for the coldest air that Denver has seen so far this winter. Highs will be in the teens on Saturday, and then we are looking at 0 and below 0 ratings in the morning hours, and then around 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. So it's going to be really cold, snowy on Saturday. Today, getting out the door though, this Thursday, January 22nd, we're waking up to temperatures in the teens. So it's quite crisp outside, 7 only in Greeley. Want to have the layers on this morning if you're heading out to Denver International Airport though, doing any travel. Sunny skies, calm winds, so no hazardous weather expected for today if you do have any travel plans in and around the state. Mostly sunny skies. We're expecting a high of 39, so cooler, chilly, below average, but it's going to be even colder as we get through the next few. So for today, relatively mild compared to what's to come. Upper 30s over the Front Range and Eastern Plains, 20s and 30s in the mountains. So we'll be seeing a brief front roll in for this afternoon. That's ahead of more mountain snow. Not infectious yet, but the National Weather Service has issued winter weather advisories. A good dose of moderate to even heavy at times snowfall expected, especially for our central and southern mountains. Here's the timing. It'll start really tomorrow morning, but pick up steam over the I-70 drive by the afternoon. Here's right around 2 p.m. You can see into our central mountains, Aspen Snowmass down through Telluride, Crested Butte, eventually impacting Denver north and east, but it'll be really early Saturday morning that we have our best chance for accumulating snow, and it won't last long. For the Denver metro area, this system less about the snow, more about the cold air, especially over the eastern plains as we brace Saturday into Sunday. So our snowfall forecast as of right now, a trace to about 3 inches possible. Longmont down through Castle Rock and east up to the tunnel, though, around 5 to 9 inches when all is said and done. So if you do have any travel plans Friday into Saturday, be prepared. Be expecting winter driving conditions. Now here is that Arctic air mass. You can see a huge portion of the country, northern parts, really impacted by it for Saturday, and then all the way down through Texas. We're talking ice storms, really cold conditions, below 20-degree readings up over the Midwest. But here for Colorado, we're kind of on the tail end of it, which is why we'll be seeing the coldest air over the eastern plains and here for the metro area. Lows tonight set to fall to around 11 degrees in Denver, single digits up near Fort Collins and Greeley, and you can see 10 in Burlington. On average, we typically see mid-40s, low 20s for the metro area. The mountains will see a little bit milder conditions with this system. So as we look ahead to our Patriots taking on the Broncos here at home in Power Field at Mile High, kickoff will be cold. So at least it'll be sunny. It won't be snowing, and the winds will be a bit blustery at times. It's winter, so just make sure you have all the appropriate gear on if you're out and about. Maybe stay indoors, nice and warm on Saturday with a high of 10 expected. Sunshine for the afternoon on Sunday, 25 only, and then we're back to the 40s and low 50s next week.